Serenity is all yours on your own private farm with a 1928 Craftsman-style home and multiple outbuildings on 6.81 acres. Perfectly situated for quiet country living, this completely fenced property offers a tranquil oasis. A gated entrance leads to the paved driveway and Craftsman home. You'll find a separate garage with a shop and bonus room, a 5-stall barn, several fenced pastures, multiple fruit trees, and a large shop. The covered front porch invites you inside, where you'll discover a classic design with wood floors throughout most of the home, elegant fixtures, and large windows. The updated kitchen features quartz countertops, abundant storage, and a cozy breakfast nook with built-in cabinets. You'll find multiple spaces to entertain or just relax with family and friends. On the upper level, you'll find 3 bedrooms, 2 with inviting reading nooks, and all with wood floors. Downstairs, a spacious 20 by 21 foot second family room has a cozy fireplace, an additional bonus room, updated full bath, laundry area, and extra storage. Multiple outdoor spaces are ready for large or small gatherings, including an expansive patio and a separate fire pit for relaxing days and cool nights. The 2-car detached garage has a large workshop and a bonus room plus storage space. The 5-stall barn is ready for your horses or other animals. Plus a 24 by 60 foot shop for all of your toys or hobbies. Other features include a forested area, sprinkler system, garden area, round pen, berry bushes, and much more. A classic Craftsman home and a captivating property. It's all here on Revenue Road, and it's ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Brian or Greg Whistler with Premier Property Group. For financing options, please contact Rick Gerkman with Directors Mortgage.